Good morning, students. Let us continue with our mathematics online class. We have done 3 chapters. Now we will start 4th chapter of your book. That is tick tick tick. आपको टिक टिक से क्या समझ में आ रहा है? किस चीज की साउंड है बेटा? Of course, clock. Sound of clock is tick tick tick. In this lesson, we will study about clock. We will read time, how to read time, and how to convert time 12-hour clock into 24-hour clock, duration of days, duration of time, and also expiry date. About knowledge about expiry date also. So let me tell you about clock. I have drawn this clock here. These are the numbers I have written on the clock, and every clock has these numbers. 12 is just on the top, and just opposite 12 is 6, here is 3, and just opposite 3 is 9. The big hand which I have drawn here, this big hand, that is minute hand, and small hand is, which I have drawn here, this is hour hand, and the hand with the dotted line is second hand. Usually we discuss about only minute hand and hour hand. Second hand, do the clocks do have that second hand also? You can see this is the second hand, and this is the minute, and this is the hour hand. All these are the numbers. Now division of number is the distance between two numbers. 12 और 1 के बीच में जो बेटा distance है, that is 5 units है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So by the time the big hand is crossing 12 to 1, it's already 5 minutes. It takes 5 minutes to move from one to another number. So if the big hand is moving from 1 to 2, another 5 minutes will be over. So means 10 minutes हो जाएंगे 12 से अब तक. इसी तरह, because you can also find read time like this. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, and 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25. 5 का टेबल जो है आप देख रहे हो, मैंने यहाँ पे पूरा ऐसे लगाया है. So it means we can read time by reading table of 5. Now in this clock which I have drawn here, small hand is at 3 and big hand is at 12. Whenever big hand is at 12, means that small hand which is pointing to the number, that time is shown in the clock. So it is 3 o'clock. Similarly, if this hand is moving to this side, 5 minutes cross, it means now this is 3:05, 3:05. Similarly, if big hand is at this 3:10, big hand is at this number, so 3:15. By then, small hand is also started moving. Suppose this small hand is at now this, and big hand is at this. So this is 3:25, and now I will tell you with this clock also. This is 3 o'clock, 3:30. I will show how to set the clock at 3:30. Now you see the small hand is between 3 and 4, and big hand is at 6. So this is 3:30. By the time the big hand is moving still further, small hand is also moving, and it is getting closer to 4. Now see, big hand is at 9 now, and small hand has come very close to 4, because now the next time will be 4 o'clock. So now the time which I am showing you, this is 3:45. Again I will round this clock. Suppose this is a time. This is small hand is just near almost at 4, but big hand is at 11. It's not 4 o'clock. It is 3:55. So still 5 minutes to 4. Now you can see small hand has exactly come on 4, and the time is 4 o'clock. Okay. Now on page number 36, practice time 3 friends read time from a clock. Who is right? 3 लोगों ने टाइम पढ़ा है. ये टाइम दिया हुआ है बेटा, ध्यान से देखिए. Have a close look on this. On the first clock, as you can see, small hand is at 3 and big hand is at 12. तो जो चीकू फर्स्ट बच्चा है वो कह रहा है इट इज 12:03, यानी कि 12:03. एंड बिट्टू इज सेइंग दैट इट इज 12:15 एंड पिंकी इज सेइंग दैट इट इज 3 o'clock. तो देन हु इज राइट? एज आई हैव ऑलरेडी सेट दिस टाइम ऑन द बिग क्लॉक. This was the time shown in the book. So we can say small hand is at 3 and big hand is at 12. So exact time is 3 o'clock. So Pinky is right. Okay. Now next time. Now have a close look at the time. Next time is shown. Now you tell me, it is 7:25 or Bittu is saying it is 5:07 and Pinky is saying it is 5:35. I have also set this time on the big hand, big clock this, and you see this time. Now you can see small hand is in between 5 and 6 and the big hand is at 7. So time will be 5:35. So again Pinky is right. Pinky is right. Now next time see, have a close look on it. Chiku is saying it is 3:35. Bittu is saying it is 7:03 and Pinky is saying that it is 7:15. I have set this time on the big clock also. Now you see small hand is at 7 and big hand is at 3. So what is the time? Again it is Pinky is again right. It is 7:15. So Pinky is right in all the reading of times. On page number 37, show the following time in the clock. Students, you will draw these clocks in your notebook and you will show these time on the clock by setting the hands according to this time. Understand? Okay.